rehabilitate themselves. And what we have here with us this morning is our way of expressing our sympathy to them. And we want to thank you for coming to witness these very special occasions and what the industry is affected by the recent cyclone that just passed us a few weeks ago. First of all, it is my privilege to take this opportunity on behalf of the sugarcane.
We as the industry, like anybody else, decided to assist our brothers and sisters in Vanuatu in whatever way possible. Therefore, after discussion between the executive chairman of the Fiji Sugar Corporation and the CEO of the Sugarcane Growers Council, have agreed and decided to donate 5 tons of sugar to assist, and we do hope that whatever small donation we have provided will bring sweetness to the affected people in Vanuatu. Thank you very much.
I, on behalf of the Fiji government, would like to thank the FSC, the board members, and of course the sugar industry for joining the government in providing relief assistance to the victims of TCPM in Vanuatu. We in Fiji have experienced how this kind of donation have been of great relief to us during the recent past disasters. And now for these 5 metric tons of sugar that the sugar industry has given today, it will also have great help to the people of Vanuatu. I also believe that this is part of the sugar industry social responsibility, and you have done your share of care and was indeed timely for our Pacific neighbors, the people of Vanuatu, when they need every support as they strive for their recovery. So to the sugar industry, once again, Pinakbalebu for your generous donation. Pinakbalebu.